Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have a travel pillow from SARISUN. We have a pillow, storage bag, eye mask, eye sleep mask. Okay. And how to clean it. Caution before use. Wash with water. Okay, how to use. Okay. Okay, here's everything. Okay, this is considered a pillow here, a cushion here. There's instructions built into the pillow. And here's a mask. There's a slot for the instructions? No, it's just like that. And you attach this to your seat, headrest. I believe it goes like this. I'm not sure though. Probably. I don't know. But yeah, there it is. So, yep. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.